So it took me a hot second to figure out how to do this trend. It's the boy blush trend. So it's supposed to look like your cheeks were pinched, or like wherever you actually naturally blush, which would be kind of in this area. Every video I watched was like put a triangle basically like right here, not too close here, and not too far up here, not down here, to get kind of like that glowy pinch, or if you were flirting with someone, basically how your face would look if you got nervous. Let me show you how I got this. As you can see, took the makeup off. To save time, I already put my tinted serum on. It's by OGEE, it's color Hazel. Obsessed with this tinted serum, have not found one that I like as much as this one. Next is also OGEE, and it's color Topaz, and it's one of their sculpted sticks. So most people that do this trend either use a sculpted stick or they use a face oil. Obviously I'm doing sculpted stick. So they said, do a triangle, like right here. Trying to make sure I keep this even. I really enjoyed how it turned out. I was a bit skeptical because some of the videos I watched were a little crazy. It was like too clown looking. So I found that this method was the best one that I watched, at least. All right, then it says blend. But trying to keep, basically, don't obviously go up like you normally would up here. Stay away from here and here. Naturally, I so bad want to go. Trying to stay away from it. I find this color Topaz also worked very nicely, at least with my skin. But you see how I'm trying to stay like in the little triangle area. So see, I thought it was gonna draw my face down, and I actually feel like it like fills my face out, like where the cheeks are. Not too bad. Seal it in. And there you have it, the boy blush trend. I think it's cute. It's definitely not like an evening look for me, but I think it's fun to play with, so try it out.